big hurtem. So y'all like, share, comment, and subscribe. What's up, big fam? It's that boy Big Hurt back in the kitchen once again with another banging recipe for y'all today. And today we're gonna be making some Mexican chicken casserole. You dig? And these the ingredients we're gonna get into it right here. First off, you need some ground beef. You need some rotel tomatoes. You need some cream of chicken soup. You need some this cream of mushroom, cream of chicken, some taco seasoning, some Doritos, and some boneless, skinless chicken breasts, and a nice size oven pan, because I'm gonna make a lot today. All right, let me get everything situated, and I'll be back in a little bit to show you how we gonna do this here. Yeah. All right, first off, we're gonna get these chicken breasts grilled up and get them cooked up nice. And you don't need to add no seasoning, and you'll see why after a while. Yeah. And while you got your chicken going, we can multitask a little bit. Go ahead and get your ground beef going. Yeah. Okay, our first batch of chicken is done. We're gonna get them off. And even if they ain't grilled all the way through, it's gonna get cooked, because it's gonna get baked. Y'all will see as it goes along. Just stay with me. I'm gonna get some more chicken on here. Be back in a little bit. All right, now we got these chicken breasts cooked up. So now you just set them to the side and let them cool off, and we'll show you the next step. Now we back with the chicken. It's been cooled down enough so we can handle it well. Now all we're gonna do is cut it in strips like this. What we're gonna do is cut it in like bite-sized chunks. You know what I'm saying? Like that. That's good enough size. Throw them in this pot right here. Good bite-sized pieces. So we're gonna dice the chicken up. Just like so. I know y'all know how to do this. Oh yeah, if you haven't, by the way, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Go ahead and hit that like button. Go ahead and hit that share button and share it to a couple of your friends, so they can get in on this. See me cooking up these good little meals. And if you're still here watching right now, go in the comment section and comment, I'm a real one, but you still here watching, so you must be a real one. So yeah, I'm gonna get this chicken all diced up. I'll be back with y'all in a little bit. All right, y'all. Let me show y'all. This my chicken. I done diced all up. Sit y'all back up. So we finna add. We're gonna add in the cream of chicken. Cream of mushroom. All out of that. And this why we didn't add no seasoning to the chicken. You know, the cream of mushroom and cream of chicken got enough salt in it. And we also add taco seasoning to the ground beef. So you didn't need the seasoning chicken. And the rotel. Just like that. mix this up good. We're gonna get it on the stove and heat it through. So we're on the stove. Fire about a medium, and all we're gonna do is just heat this through, mix it up well, and heat it through. I'll be back in a sec. Now on to the ground beef. We got it all cooked up, we got it drained, and back in the pot. I'm gonna add our taco seasoning. We got about 3 to 4 pounds of ground meat, so we're gonna use 2 packs of taco seasoning. We'll pour a little water in here. Let this simmer for a good 10-15 minutes. Let everything get all introduced to each other and get all good, and yeah, we'll be back in a few. Back. I got my chicken mixture ready, and that's my chicken breast. Got it diced up with cream of chicken, cream of mushroom, and rotel. And got my ground beef ready, and those 2 packs of taco seasoning in there. And I got it simmered down. Now we finna get ready to put this casserole together. Get y'all set up. So y'all how I get that. Alright. We got the Doritos. What you gonna do? Open the bag a little bit. Crunch the Doritos up. Turn them into crumbs. That's a little good. Alright. You take your good handful, spread some in the bottom of the pan. Maybe 2 handfuls. And that's gonna form a little crust like at the bottom. Alright, we're not gonna use them all right now. Then we're gonna get this ground beef. We're gonna come. Dump it in. Put it all in there. So you can preheat your oven, have your oven preheating on 350. So after we get it assembled, it's going in the oven for a good 15-20 minutes. I'm gonna spread this ground beef out. Try to spread it out as even as you can across the bottom of your pan. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. You just got to turn it around, do what you gotta do to get it right. So you try to do it as evenly as possible. It's gonna never be perfect, but get it as best you can. You heard me. Make sure it's pushed up in all them corners. All the chips and stuff covered up. Smooth it on out. Just like that. Y'all need to see how it look. That's how it look. All right. I'm gonna Throw some more Doritos. Good handful. Just like that. Then we're gonna throw some cheese. And today we're using some taco blend cheese, shredded cheese. It's a nice generous helping on there. Maybe even two. Gonna be good with cheese. You already know. Alright. I was gonna get this chicken mixture. Gonna pour it on top. Just like that. Take this spoon, spread it out. And make sure everything gets nice and wet. Spread it out good so I have chicken in every bite. Smooth it on out. Just like that. Make sure you hit them corners. You don't want the corners to be dry. So make sure you hit them corners. Spread this on the corners. You don't want no dry corners, dude. No sir. Nice and spread it like that. Alright. Doritos again. Some more Doritos spread on top. This will be the last little bit. My Dorito dust. You rinse your hands right quick. You're gonna spread them in, smash them down so they can be nice and wet. Nothing dry in the casserole. Smash them down into that chicken mixture. Just like so. Do like this and smooth out everything all even. Nice and even. Yes, sir. Ooh, it's smelling good too. Hey, wait, I ain't cooked this in a long time. I'm ready for it. I should have cooked this yesterday for Cinco de Mayo. This would have been a good video for Cinco de Mayo. Alright. Now we're gonna go in with some more cheese. Top it off with the cheese. And I gotta put out this a taco blend. And this dish, I originally got this recipe from my sister. I didn't make this one up. She found it from somewhere. And originally calls for just chicken. The ground beef wasn't even part of it. But she added the ground beef. And it was a good touch. So every time we made it, we started adding the ground beef. And then I thought about adding some refried beans to it. But I didn't have no refried beans this time, so I went without it. But that's how I be telling y'all. Y'all can make any dish your own by adding whatever you want to. Like I can even do like jalapenos or black olives or whatever you like. Just make it your own. And so that's what we did. It's really good. That's a lot of cheese now. Yes, sir. Let me show y'all the finish. Not the finished product, but the finished preparation. Yeah. If y'all only could smell it. Yes, sir. Now we're finna go in the oven for about 20 minutes. You let it get all nice and hot and bubbly. And we'll be back to show y'all the finished product. Yeah. And there you have it, guys. That's the finished product of my Mexican chicken casserole. I'm gonna let it cool out, and actually I forgot about it in the oven and it went for 30 minutes, but it's not gonna hurt it. Just make it more bubbly, you know what I'm saying? And so I'm gonna let it cool out, and I'm gonna cut a slice and I'm gonna show y'all how it looks. And there it is, guys. A big hunk of casserole. So y'all get in the comment section, tell me how I did. You know what time it is. It's grub time. And Big Hurt on the checkout. Yeah.